Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a great Café Au Lait with your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Piccolo. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup. On this capsule, 6 bars means that preparation time is about 30 seconds. Lift the locking handle. Place the Café Au Lait capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Count 30 seconds or adjust to your preferred cup size. Move the lever back to the stop position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the power button turns green. Keep in mind the coffee level on your cup as a guide for future preparations. Remove the capsule. Tip it into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your balanced and round Café Au Lait. With NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.